Hey there, little explorers. I'm Dr. Tyro. Today, we're going to learn something super important. Why should we wash our hands? Let's take a closer look. All right, explorers, let's take a deep look at our hands. I wonder what we'll find. Yes? Did you spot them? They're small, but sneaky. They love to hide where we can't see them, even on clean-looking hands. All right, now let's see how these tiny germs can actually make us sick. Let's see what happens when we touch things with germy hands. Look at your hands. They're all sparkly. That glitter shows us how germs can spread. Even if we don't see them in real life, they stick just like this. Wow, germs are everywhere now. On your face, your toy, the table. That's how we get sick. But don't worry, we can stop them. Now I'll show you something really cool. A little science experiment with pepper and soap. This will help us see how soap chases the germs away. Let's watch this experiment together. These dots are like germs. If we use just water, they stay. But with soap, look, they run away. Soap is powerful. Wow, did you see that? Just a little soap and the germs ran away. That's the power of clean hands. What did you think, little explorer?
Are you ready to wash your hands?
Yes, we are! Yes, we are!
Turn the water, make them wet.
Splash, splash! You bet!
Grab the soap and make some bubbles.
Rub, rub, pop the troubles.
Up front and back, in between. Make those little fingers clean. Rinse it off and dry with care. Now no germs are.
Great job, little scientists. Washing our hands keeps us healthy and strong. How many times did you wash your hands today? Let me know in the comments.